Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of
FilAmstagram!
It's an exciting day. We're just waiting for a delivery. We're getting our Windbreaker delivered. I think the man should have been here by now, but he got lost. But he's coming from a good distance away, huh, Bing? Maybe 80 kilometers?
Farther away from Manila, maybe even double the distance from here to
So
Manila.
north of Manila, and we are south of Manila, so he's lost. He just called us though, and he is in our town. So he should be here soon. He turned around and hopefully he didn't pass us again. We gave him some good landmarks. But anyway, we're excited. You know, he's gonna be here any minute, hopefully, and we'll let you see what the Windbreaker looks like. And we're actually anxious to see what it looks like.
Yeah, and it's gonna transform the look and feel and the whole identity of the van.
Absolutely. And it's gonna be Miriam's bedroom.
Yeah.
No more of that, right? Do you know what a Windbreaker is?
I don't know.
You don't know? It's the part that's gonna go up on this thing. Whoop. What? Oh, right up above there. You see the window on top there? It's gonna have this big thing that makes the inside bigger.
All right, so that's gonna be Miriam's
So yeah, this
bedroom.
area up here, it attaches perfectly on front, but the mold is specifically made for an L300. So it should attach here perfectly, or at least cover that area perfectly. And I think it attaches on both sides over here. It kind of clamps down. And it should be about the same height as our actual top of our van there. So it's gonna be perfect. The only problem is it's gonna have this gap. There's gonna be a gap that we're gonna have to fill in with fiberglass ourselves.
Here it comes. Here it comes.
Oh yeah! We are super excited about this. All right. You can see it got delivered in a Mitsubishi. They have their own Windbreaker with a Batman symbol.
No time to worry about the past. Await the future to come at last. This time tomorrow, I will be gone. A faded memory, forever worn. I wanna wake up without sorrow. I wanna step out in a world that's brighter. We are the people of tomorrow. We stand together, raise our hands up higher,
Okay, salamat.
to the sky.
There they go. They came in a Mitsubishi L300. Woo! All right, there it is, Bing. What do you think?
Yeah.
First impressions?
Oh, it's a lot bigger.
Yeah, it's very big and wide. When you look at the pictures online, it doesn't look nearly as big.
Larger than life. So according to the guy, this is actually made for an elf truck.
Oh, really?
I think they adjusted the measurements a bit, seeing
Okay.
how big our back is. compared
Oh,
to the-
because the lady asked, we
Yeah.
specifically asked her. So we got a bigger one.
Yeah.
All
It is
right.
bigger than the usual size of for an L300.
Yeah. So it's non-painted, but that's how we wanted it because we're gonna have to fill in, like we were saying, we fill in this gap here. So we have our fiberglass kit. We're gonna have to fortify it. I noticed that they put like bars inside. Do you see the inside?
Yes. So
See
there's
that
a
bar that's
structural-
sticking
yeah.
out right there, sticking up, it's going up, and there's a bar in the middle. So they've really fortified it because I guess it's a real special custom deal here.
Yeah.
So it's not the regular typical L300 Windbreaker, which I think on pictures looks a lot smaller.
Yeah.
So this looks
Yeah.
perfect. I mean, it goes right up to just about to the top. There's still, all the rainwater will come down nice. So if it was too high, it wouldn't have been good for us. But the fact that it has that trajectory, that's awesome. So yeah, this is gonna be it's gonna be a trial and error for us, but hopefully just a trial and success. because neither of us have done this fiberglass before. But once you see the kit and once you kind of see a couple videos, it seems pretty self-explanatory. I mean, it's kind of like a fiberglass mat that you put on, almost like a cloth, and then you just start painting on literally the is it epoxy or some kind of polymer?
Yeah, so fiberglass polymer.
Yeah, we know.
Yeah,
we know a lot about
hardener. With the hardener that makes it all
hard.
the little that we know.
Anyway, look how, I mean, not a big gap there at all. But we do have a shower to do with fiberglass too. So we were thinking about doing the shower first because at least if we mess that up, it's not as kind of extreme, you know. This is kind of like a little more kind of structural, I guess you'd say. So, yeah, there it says right there, Isuzu. Ooh. Oh, Isuzu. Look. Oh. We're gonna have to scratch that out.
Mitsubishi's not gonna like that.
Actually, I love Isuzu. I had an Isuzu pickup in Nicaragua. It's awesome. So, we're gonna keep you posted on this one.
Why don't we call Miriam and show her her new room?
Okay.
Hey, Miriam!
All right. So, what do you think? There's nobody here. Oh. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Don't touch. Okay, look. See that? That's the windbreaker. That's going to be part of your room up there. Up there.
That thing. Big thing.
What do you think? Yeah, so we're excited. This is gonna be awesome. Whoa, where's Miriam? There she is.
Okay, let me interview Miriam. Okay. Miriam. Oh, she's having her first look at her future new room.
You can't go in yet. So this is it. So this is gonna be part of your loft, and then it's gonna go out all the way over, almost to the kitchen, almost to the counter. So what we're gonna have to do is seal this off. We're gonna see our project. We're gonna help. You wanna help? Yeah. You wanna work with fiberglass and get all itchy? Hopefully we don't get itchy. Anyway, we're gonna seal it. Once we seal this off, then we can take that window out. And Tata's gonna open it up a little bit bigger. I'm gonna cut some of that metal out. And I'm gonna smooth it all down so you don't get cut on anything. And then we're gonna seal this off. And guess what? We can start working on loft.
Tata? Yeah.
Loft. It's gonna come all the way to there. All right, we'll keep you posted on this one. This is a serious project, you know. Stick your tongue out to the world. Sending love and tongues from the Philippines.
And don't
forget
to subscribe.
Sending love.
Philippines. Yeah.